Hey, it's Kyle. Welcome to the channel. I got this box from Atlavox. They are a maker of Meshtastic devices, and I'm kind of getting into the Meshtastic world here. I've not had a lot of experience, but then I've been going on some campouts with my hiker trailer, and guess what? People have Meshtastic devices. So I decided to invest some dollars and get some Meshtastic devices and watch some videos. And this one seemed to be the coolest one that I liked the look of it. And then I also got some other Meshtastic devices because I think I might put a repeater on my roof, and I might just have a couple, put one in my hiker trailer and also put one in my truck. And I'm brutally demolishing this this box, but yeah, I got a Meshtastic radio with a 3D printed case, and then I also got two Whiz Blocks. I got the Whiz Blocks because I think that they were the best, less power hungry from what I could gather. I got the strap. So let's unbox the 3D printed case. I love the paper and the stamp. I also got the bigger antenna. Wow, I like that. That's awesome. It's got some dice in here where you can open this up and you can identify, versus putting a sticker on here. But this is, I think this is PET G and this is PLA. And yeah, flash tested 9.3 firmware 2.6.11. Really nice packaging here. And then let's see, there's a USB cable. I don't need that. And then here are my Whiz Block starter kits. So I don't know if these starter kits have got antennas. I know that they have got like an integrated, oh, I see the antenna. So another USB power cable, the Whiz Block module. Man, the thing is small. And then you've got, yeah, like the Bluetooth antenna, all of the, geez, teeny tiny little screws. Holy moly. The dummy load antenna. And then, let's see, this is another antenna. This is just the, I think, just the Meshtastic antenna. And then, oh yeah, the antenna connector that goes on the outside of your device that you're connecting up. Oh, and here is the Meshtastic antenna that I need to get open somehow. Come on. And I bought two of these. And then what else did I buy? What's this? Oh, just stuffing. Good old turkey stuffing. Let me... oh, and I also got... I think that I got the... did I get the GPS? No, I don't think I got the GPS. I think I just got the radio. So this goes on like this. And then strap, where'd the strap go? Strap goes in. So I can wear this on my backpack. Can secure it to my backpack. And yeah, and I also, this thing came with a battery too. So I'm going to, I put this strap on wrong. Comes with a battery. I think it's like a 200 amp hour or 2000 amp hour battery, maybe 2000 watt hour. I don't know. I can't remember. Does it say it on here? It does not. It does not say it on my order, but there is a battery in here. USB port C on the bottom. And if you open this case up, I know that Robert W5ITR has got a video on this. He's got one of these. And the GPS module goes here in the top. And then it also has some space in here to put some other things, like I think a temperature environmental monitor, something like that. So I just liked the look of this case. I thought it was really cool. And yeah, I could have, you know, taken one of these Whiz Blocks and 3D printed, which I am. I'm 3D printing 2 cases, and I bought 2 batteries off of Amazon. So this one is going to go in the... I thought that I got the GPS on one of these. Did I not get the GPS on one of these? One of these is going to go in the hiker trailer. And I thought that I got the GPS so I could track the hiker trailer. Have another way of tracking the trailer if it got stolen. Maybe I didn't. I'll have to go back and take a look. But I have an Apple iTag, and I've got an Android Find Me device. So another way to track the trailer if somebody takes off with it. But anyway, I'm going to put one in the trailer. I'm going to have the other one on me for a backup. So I'm going to print 2 cases. And then I'm also got a Heltec in the truck that, you know, turns on whenever the truck is on. So, yeah, that is it. I've gotten into the world of Meshtastic. Oh, maybe this one will go... I'll buy an enclosure, and maybe this one will go on the roof. Don't know. But anyway, yeah, I'm late to the game, but I know that St. Louis is building out a mesh network, and I want to be a part of it. So I decided to spend about $120 and get all the stuff here. So anyway, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. More Meshtastic stuff to come. But I'm also going to do some Meshtastic stuff on my YouTube RV channel, Square Drop Adventures, if you want to go over there and subscribe. So thanks for watching. 73.